Welcome to this video on the new Microsoft Teams preview. So it's appeared for me today and I thought I'd jump on and make a nice quick video so you could all see what it looks like. It may not appear for you straight away depending on your organization settings. You may need to come out of Teams and go back in for it to appear, but if you've got access to the Teams preview, you'll see that in the top left hand corner where I've got try the new Teams. It is just a preview, so you don't have to turn it on right now, but eventually it will just become standard. So that does mean that there may be a few bugs and a few issues and a few bits of functionality that isn't working in there right now. So you can toggle between the current version of Teams, which is what I'm on now, and then the new one, which is what I'm going to show you in a few moments, because I've already gone through that process. And when you do click on the toggle try the new Teams, you will need to install the Teams preview, and it may restart a number of times before you can go in. You may also need to give it access to the screen sharing on your device again, just because it is a different application. So in a moment, I'm going to toggle to the new Teams so you can have a quick look at what it looks like. So here we go. And just be aware I've got the power of editing, so it may take a little bit longer for you to toggle between the current version and the new version once you've installed it. But now you can see it looks a little bit different. There's a new user interface, which is nice and clean and easy to work with. A lot of it looks really similar though. You've still got the buttons down the left hand side where you can toggle between your chat, your Teams and your channels. And you've got the three dots to add more buttons as well. Right at the top, in the top right hand corner, you've got your settings and you've got your profile, your account. Now, one of the great things about this new UI is that you can have it with multiple tenants. So if you work across multiple organizations or you have your own Microsoft Office account, you can have multiple on the same application, which means you can just toggle between them really easily. And if you do that, if you click on your image or your initials, if you don't have your image there, you can see at the bottom add another account, and that's where you would go in and follow the process with your login details, and you could add your other work address. If you work in multiple companies, you could add multiple work addresses. You can't do personal ones at the moment, but that is coming. So remember I said there's a few things not quite there yet. And something else that's really useful in the settings, so in the three dots, settings and more, in that help section there, you've got the option to give feedback. Now, because this is a preview, if there's anything that's not working correctly or you want to give some feedback whilst they're working on it, this is a really great way of doing that, and you can send some information about any issues and any ideas you have whilst this new Teams is still in preview. I'm definitely going to dive into this a little bit and have a look a little bit more. It all looks very similar, but I do like the look and feel. Let me know what you think in the chat. Please do like and subscribe, check out the rest of the videos in this channel, and let me know what other videos you'd like me to record.